Good evening. A faster way to sell homes for cash with no repairs and no listings is gaining attention across the country. That's right. Instead of dealing with agents, showings, and months of uncertainty, many homeowners are choosing to sell directly for cash.
What made you decide to stop trying the traditional way?
I was moving to a new city for work and really needed to sell my house fast. I didn't have the time or the money to fix it up or do any repairs. Just getting it ready to list would have taken months. I called the phone number, gave them some basic information about my house, and honestly didn't expect much at first. The next day, they reached out with a cash offer. It only took 9 days.
If you are thinking about selling a property and want to avoid the traditional hassles, Liz Buys Houses offers a fast, straightforward option. Homeowners can speak directly with their team and learn how the process works. Just call the phone number shown on your screen to share details about their property and request a completely free, no obligation cash offer, often delivered within 24 hours.